Here is a quick look at today's assignment in case you get to it before the meet. The learning target is, I understand I will find different ways to represent math ideas using words, numbers and symbols, diagrams, and different kinds of tables. And what you will be doing is I can use words, symbols, diagrams, and models to explain my thinking. So the big thing from today is explaining your thinking. You will have 2 slides to fill out. Here's the first one. There is a video that you're required to watch. It's about 2 or 3 minutes long, and it's about Rowena and Polly, who were making trail mix. Rowena had 4 cups of raisins, and Polly had 4 cups of peanuts. So they started off with the exact same amount. There is a diagram right here also showing that, Rowena's raisins and Polly's peanuts. Polly poured exactly 1 cup of her peanuts into Rowena's raisins and stirred them up, as shown in the diagram. So Polly poured a cup of the peanuts in there and they stirred them up. Then Rowena poured exactly 1 cup of her new peanut raisin mix into Polly's peanuts. So she took this new mix and poured a cup in there. So in other words, the peanuts and the raisins are all mixed up now. And this video here shows this happening. It's another visual of that. So now the question goes, did Rowena get more of Polly's peanuts, or did Polly get more of Rowena's raisins? We want to know which one has more of the others. So your first thing is to make a guess, which is also called a conjecture in math terms, about which girl got more of the other snack item. So you have to guess which one got more of the other. Did Polly get more of Rowena's raisins, or did Rowena get more of Polly's peanuts? And then explain your conjecture, explain your guess with words, numbers, and symbols. In other words, why did you guess that? Okay, that's looking at that math practice again. You have to explain your thinking, and you're going to use words, numbers, or symbols. And then for the second slide, it says Nadine and Deandra were working together to divide a circle into 3 equal parts. They came up with the diagrams showed below. Tanisha said, one of these pictures is wrong. So they have to divide a circle into 3 equal parts. We have this circle and we have this circle. And Tanisha says one of them is not right. One of them is not equal. What do you think? Is one picture incorrect where it is not divided into 3 equal parts? If so, which one and why? So if you believe they're both equal, you can say that there and tell me why. If you believe they're not equal, which one is not equal and why? Make sure you type your answer, and then you may turn in the assignment. I will see you at the meet.